Gonna try to do a video on my parrots, Keys. This one here, right here, is Craig's new one, and he named it Georgie. He's very friendly. He eats all the time. Walks like a little penguin. He's a cutie. And the one up here, the one that wants to try to get away, that's mine. Her name's Sassy, and she is sassy, but we're calming her down finally. Stop hiding. Right there she is. She's calming down finally. And they're not singing yet this morning. They just got up. Just got them fed, so they're gonna sit here and play on their toys and stuff. But anyways, and we also got some pens to sell. And they come in the colors of black, red, blue, and green. And they say small. Oops, let me see if I can get it so it reads it. They say small engine nation. Can't read it that well on this. And they have the logo on it. Maybe you can read it better on the black one. But they're really cool. Maybe if you blow it up, you can see it better. And that's about it. They're $5 a piece. That includes shipping and handling. And if you would like 1, 2, or more, just send me a message or get a hold of my husband, Craig Durbin, and we'll have those shipped right out as soon as they're paid for. Thank you, and y'all have a great day.